Hello, my name is Dr. Podo. So today we will be discussing two topics. Continuations of our corporate reporting subject. We are near to the end actually. So take a patience. So we'll be discussing issue and redemption of shares and debt and interpretation and critical evaluation of accounting information. So let's move on. When you say uh, issues and redemption of shares, these are the key financial activities that affect companies' capital structure, liquidity, and financial risk. These are activities governed by the accounting standards, no? IAS 32, 39, IFRS 9, and legal frameworks, such as Companies Act of 2006 in UK. So the issue of shares, by definition, refers to the process of company raising capital by offering equity shares, so these are stocks, to investors. Because company is obliged when they issue uh, equity shares. Yeah, because this is the way that company is making money through initial public offering, inviting investors to join. So thereby investors pouring their money to the company in the hope of returns a year after, or keep it there, no? As long as the company is making. So types of issues, we have ordinary shares, that's common stocks, no? Prepared shares for the selected few, price issues to existing shareholders, bonus issue, free shares issued from reserves. So the accounting treatment proceeds from shares issue are recorded as share capital, nominal value. So this is how the accounting, no? Share premium amount above nominal value. There's a nominal value. Or sometimes they call it mid, no? No capital on, no impact on profit or loss, no? Yeah, because each time the company make losses, it will go to use its reserves and preserve the equity, because to keep the trust of the investors. Example, company issues that 100,000 shares of pounds and at on two shares, share capital 100,000, and then share premium 100,000. Redemption shares definition refers to the repurchase or repayment of shares by issuing company, mainly in the case of preferred shares, no? Because they want to have solid, no? That means control of the running the company. Because the moment investors make an overall make more shares, it will put into danger, no? The owner. He may lose his seat in the board, no? Then he will be replaced, and then running the company will be taken away from him. So that's why they're doing this repurchase. Okay, so key points must be allowed by the company's activities and national law. Funded out of profits available for distribution of proceeds from a new issue. Redemption must be not reduce the company's capital based on law. So it should follow. Applications, company redeem 50,000 preference shares at par. This reduces equity and cash, but does not affect the income statement. So that's how they do it. No? So this company's act. No? So isa report. Let's talk about issue of debt, loans or bonds. No? So debt is issue when company is raises capital, borrowing usually through loans, debentures, or bonds. No? Usually bonds, no? Or short-term loans, no? And then or debentures. No? So debentures uh, is a form of acquiring capitalization. Accounting treatment recorded as a financial liability by definition, by financial instrument. Interest is charged to profit or loss using the effective interest rate method. Okay, so company issue example, 1 million in 5 years bonds with 6% annual interest. Cash inflow 1 million, annual interest 60,000 plus 6%. Liabilities amortized if issued at a discount premium. The redemption of debt, the repayment of debt on at maturity or earlier. Example, when they issue bonds, no? The government also doing this one, they issue treasury bonds, 90 days, 180 days, no? But they will redeem it and pay, no? And then involving settlement of both principal and interest, no? So because, that usually happen in the company. When they have collection is delayed, they're issuing bonds to get the short-term bond and return it on maturity once they have collected. So it's on the company is actually circulating the money. The accounting implication, the recognition of liability, recognition of gain loss if repaid at amount different from book value. So application example, a bond with a book value of 980 is repaid early at 1 million. To 20,000 loss is recorded profit or loss, no? In profit or loss, no? It's like that, no? Okay, because bond, no? He take away the money and then he will go to pay. That's uh, the payment for the rent of the money from the investors. Real world examples, Barclays PLC issue bonds and reports on liabilities. No? Every time the company is making an issue, that's liability. Tesco PLC conducted share buybacks to return money to shares and reduce equity capital. So this is it, how issue shares equity accounting impact, no? Increase in shares capital. There's an example, no? Shares of redemption, that is type is equity, accounting impact reduce capital and cash. No? That issue, this liability, record as loan or bond, pay interest, no? Example. That redemption is liability. Remove liability or record gain or loss, no? This is the example. Okay, let's move on to interpretation and critical evaluation of accounting and information, financial information. Okay, accounting and financial information, along with example. No? So interpretation of accounting and financial information. Interpretation involves analyzing financial data to extract meaningful insight. So as we know, accounting is more on report. No? This process requires a thorough understanding of accounting concepts, financial statements. Yeah, because there's principles of the accounting, how they classify whether the payments. So this has to be a practice. No? There are many principles of accounting. We'll go through that onto that. No? So you will see how the uh, how the manager will handle the money of the company. This process requires thorough understanding of accounting concepts, like financial statement, and relevant regulations. Key aspects of interpretations. We have the ratio analysis. No? Calculating ratio to assess company's performance. Yeah, liquidity ratio, profitability ratio, efficiency ratio, and also on the stocks, on the stock level. No? For example, current ratio, current assets over current liabilities helps evaluate company's short-term liquidity. That means cash. How it is have cash now. The trend analysis examine financial data over time to identify pattern and trends. No? So trend analysis. This helps assess the company's growth, stability, and potential future performance. This actually trend analysis monitored by the investors. Be careful in this one reporting. Some are cheating this one, but so it helped a drawback, no? So, but anyway, this is the barometer, no? Industry comparison, comparing the company's financial. They will say company is robust ahead of the industry. They claim that. because of this. Averages benchmark. This provides insights into a company's relative performance and competitiveness. You will see the top 500 corporation. They are above industry performance. That's why they are there, no? In, Fortune 500. Critical evaluations of accounting financial information, assessing equity, reliability, and relevance of financial information. This requires a deep understanding of accounting standards, so the GAAP and IFRS, regulatory requirements in the industry, specific factors. No? Assessing accounting policies, evaluating a company's accounting choices and their impact on financial statements. Example, a company may choose to depreciate asset using straight line method or accelerated. By the way, there are many types of method in depreciation. There is uh, re, uh, there is what we call compounding. Uh, there is what we call there are four types actually, no? But these are the one they are using because it's logical. No? When one affected, the other one will be affected. No? So straight line. Okay, so identify potential biases is another thing, no? In the evaluation. Biases. That means the assumption. Okay? Recognizing potential biases in financing reporting, such as management incentives to manipulate earnings. No? So usually, to make company more good, no? But it will show up later, no? Because why manager is doing this one? Because the report is shows bad, but they have a impending collection, so they're going to report them earlier so that the current result is not that bad. Otherwise, investors will pull out. So that's why they are doing this one. Okay? They manipulate earnings. But this is a basic, no? Because there is what we call what we call collections that will come in. That's why so evaluating disclosure quality, assessing the transparency and completeness of financial disclosure. You know, company have many books, no? There's a book for taxes. There's a book for internal books. There are books for financing. You know, most companies like that. Why? To uh, to protect the company, especially book of accounts in taxation to minimize the taxes and company makes money. That's the purpose of that one. Well, accountant know it very well. No? So application investment decision interpreting and critically evaluating financial information helps investors makes informed decision. So this is the most important thing. They have they need to inform in advance so that they will patch. You know, that's the job of the manager, no? Troubleshooter, no? Credit risk assessment. Lenders use financial analysis to evaluate borrowers' credit worthiness and potential default risk. No? So they, of course, bank is doing this one. They have a bureau. No, if your bureau is very low, you cannot get a loan. So that's credit risk assessment. The score. No? Mergers, because borrowers are very intelligent. No? They can cheat the system. But if there is a bureau, they cannot circle around. No? The mergers and acquisition financial analysis is crucial in evaluating targets companies. Financial performance, potential synergies, and risk. No? Mergers and acquisition is they are doing it for to minimize losses, no? The impending losses. Because if the company, for example, uh, uh, government make a pronouncement, so before that pronouncement came into effect, company is doing their uh, their way method not to avoid losses. No? Okay, we take up from this reference. Okay, so I hope you have a question, then send me by WhatsApp. No? So for now, let's end here. No? We discussed two items today. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.